Hello everyone, I welcome all of you once again to the series of averages. My name is Shyam Manawat and we are in lecture number 8. We are in lecture number 8 of averages. In today's lecture we will see some question on geometric mean. You remember in lecture number 6 we have discussed arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean, to calculate the average. What is geometric mean? Let's look at the formula once again. Geometric mean is nth root of product of n values, that is geometric mean, right? We apply geometric mean wherever we see average percentage growth, average percentage increase, CAGR or so. The other way, this is geometric mean. Other way to calculate that average in the situation of geometric mean is also nth root of final value by that's not the average although, but you need to calculate first nth root of final by initial right, and to get the final value, the average percentage increase, what we say, x minus 1, we take out 1 from there and then we multiply by 100 and get the percentage value. Let's apply this and see in the question. First question. So here we have, if population of a town is increased by 10% in the first year, 20% in the second year and 30% in the third year, what is the average percentage growth of the population? So what do you do here? If it is increasing by 10%, let's say the initial population of the town, let's say that is 1. You can assume x also. You will get the same answer. Why? Because the question is in percentage and option also in percentage. So if it is 1, then here you increase this by 10%. So to increase by 10%, you multiply by 1.1. You multiply by what? 1 plus 10 by 100. 1.1. To increase by 20%, you multiply by what? 1 plus 20 by 100. To increase by 30%, you multiply by what? 1 plus 30 by 100. Right? Okay. So that's how you get so increase by 20%. 1.2, increase by 30%, multiply by 1 by 3. Then you get the final population after 3 years. So the product here will be, let's see the product here, that is 1.1 into 1.2 into 1.3 equals 1.716. Okay, then you find the cube root of this. Because the duration is 3 and number of periods are 3, you find the cube root. Okay, and that's where you get one answer, one value, 1.1 cube root of 1.716. Or you can also say cube root of what? 1.1 into 1.2 into 1.3. So I just calculated the product of this, so I can write 1.716. Now we need to calculate the cube root of this. So I will not address this problem of how to calculate the cube root. That we will see in the next or maybe say in one of the questions in which I will only talk about how to calculate square root and cube root of certain numbers. So here I will just say the cube root, if I calculate, I get approximately 1.1972. Now to get the average percentage increase, what do? We take this x minus 1 multiply by 100. So if you take out 1, remaining value 0.1972 multiply by 100, you will get what? 19.72 percentage. Okay, this is the average percentage increase in the population as per the given question. Yeah, approximately 20, but that's not exactly 20. Okay, so that will definitely not be arithmetic mean. Remember, geometric mean is less than equal to arithmetic mean. If values are different, we only see that is less than arithmetic mean, right? Okay, let's look at the next question. I hope you're understanding the geometric mean, how to calculate. Okay, this is in the lecture number 6 also we have solved one question, and here also we are solving 2 questions. So I hope you become comfortable on how to tackle this geometric mean questions. Yeah. So Tata has shown a positive growth in last 3 years, which is 20% in first year, 30% in second year, 50% in third year. Find the average percentage growth in sales. What are you going to do? You are going to find the final value after doing this increase. Okay, like this way. Yeah. So do you want to assume 1 or 100? I'm telling you, it's going to be one of the same thing. See, even if you assume 100, at the end when you divide by 100, divide by initial, the 100 is going to get cancelled, right? Do you want to see that? Okay. So if I assume 100 initially, if it is 20% increase, so I multiply by 1.2 for 20% increase. Then if it is 30% increase, then I multiply by 1.3 for 30% increase. Then if it is 50% increase, then I multiply by 1.5 for 50% increase, right? That's how you get the final value. That means the final sale, the sale after 3 years. Now, if you need to find out the average percentage growth, because it's about 3 years, the number of periods is 3, you calculate the cube root of 1, 2, 3 by initial. Now see, this is what I was talking about. You take 1 or you take 100, at the end that's going to get cancelled. Okay, so you are going to get a number here. Okay, so this is going to be, so cube root of this is going to be approximately 1.3276. In this video, focus on calculating the cube root. Do not worry about how are we going to calculate the cube root. I will tell you that. Okay, as I said, as I promised, I will take a different lecture in which we will only talk about the calculation techniques. Okay, so that's what you get. So now you take this x minus 1 and multiply by what? 100. Okay, what do you get here? Minus 1 from here. You get 0.3276 multiplied by 100, so 32.76. This is going to be the average percentage growth. That is your answer. Yeah, I know that this calculation you might be wondering that how to handle this. Apart from this, did you understand how to handle the question, how to identify whether there is a normal arithmetic mean or it is about geometric mean? Yeah, average percentage increase. So did you identify that? Yes. Second is, did you understand how to solve it? Okay, you take the nth root of product of n values or nth root of final value by initial value, where n is equal to number of period here, where here n is equal to here, where we write this here, yeah, where n is number of period, yeah, and then to say final average percentage growth, you just take from this x, you take minus 1, you take out 1 and then multiply by 100, you get the answer. right? So this is it in today's video, and then now in coming average lectures we are going to discuss some miscellaneous questions. So to tell you, these are all concept builder videos, concept builder classes, which is level of difficulty 1. We will see level of difficulty 2 and level of difficulty 3 in coming videos. Yeah, so my name is Shaman. I was signing off. I will see you in the next lecture. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye bye.